friends, welcome back to SLR Studies and I am Lever, and today we are going to do start our first chapter, first exercise. So before that we need to see at important a definition of Euclid's division lemma. So let's watch it. So friends, here we can see the Euclid's division lemma. So Euclid's division lemma, the given two integers a, b, there exist two unique integers q and r satisfying the equation a is equal to bq plus r, where 0 is less than or equal to r less than b. Okay, the meaning of this is here we can see the Euclid's division lemma tells that there are two numbers. In between the two numbers, the equation exists such as a is equal to bq plus r. Here, if the example we have taken an example, here we can see example. We have taken an example as 4. 4 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 0. Here 0 is the remainder and 4 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor, and here the 2 is a quotient. So like this, these are the four terms. So the finally formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so this is going to be the final answer. So this lemma is introduced by the Euclid. Euclid is a famous mathematician. So let's start our exercise 1.1. So friends, we have entered exercise 11.1. So the first sum he has given that use Euclid's division lemma to find the HCF of 900 and 270, and the second bit is 196 and 38220, and the third bit is 1651 and 2032. So in order to find the HCF, we know in the HCF first we have to write the bigger number in the middle as a dividend. We have to take the bigger number as a dividend and the smaller number as a divisor. So the LCM, the HCF for 900 and 270 I have done here. Here you can see the dividend is 900 and the divisor is a 270. 270 into 3 is equal to 810. So 900 minus 810 is equal to 90. Now the divisor of first term becomes the dividend of the second term. So this 270 becomes a dividend here. Here 90 into 3 is equal to 270. So 270 minus 270 is equal to 0. So finally, by using Euclid's division lemma, we have written 900 is equal to 270 into 3 plus 90, and the second step is 270 is equal to 90 into 3 plus 0. So friends, the HCF is the divisor of the term which remainder is 0. So if the term gets a remainder as 0, here we can see the remainder is 0. So the divisor in the step of which remainder is 0 is HCF. So here the divisor is 90. So finally we have got our HCF, that is 90. So the HCF of 900 and 270 is 90. Okay, we have to understand like that. So here also the bigger number is 38220 and the smaller number is 196. So the 38,220 is directly cancelled by 196 into 195. So here in the first step only we have got the remainder 0. So finally the step which remainder is 0 becomes the divisor of that step becomes the HCF. So finally the HCF of 196 and 38,220 is 196. That's it. Now we are going to do a third bit. The third bit we are giving as a homework. These are the two bits. The third bit you only have to do homework. So if there is any doubt in doing that bit, you can ask me in the comment section below. So friends, now we have got up to the second sum. In second sum, he has given that use Euclid's division lemma. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that any positive odd integer is of the form of 6q plus 1 comma 6q plus 3 comma 6q plus 5. He has asked only positive integers, not negative. So we have to check the numbers after 0 that are starting from 1 all the way, otherwise you can call it as natural numbers. So any odd positive integers, any positive odd integers is of the form of 6q plus 1 comma 6q plus 3 comma 6q plus 5. We have to prove that all the positive odd integers are a form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5, where q is some integers. So q is sum of the integers. We have to prove 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. We can see the odd numbers here 1, 3, 5. So let's start the solution. So the solution, let consider this a. Consider this a. So we consider a be any positive odd integer. Means any odd positive odd integers such as 1 or 3 or 5 or 9 or 7, etc. Let a be any odd positive integer and b is equal to 6, because b is equal to 6 because he has given 6, 6, 6. So b is equal to 6, and by using the Euclid's division lemma, a is equal to bq plus r, comma 0 less than or equal to r less than b, and a is equal to b is equal to 6, right? So we have substituted here a is equal to 6q plus r, comma 0 less than or equal to r less than 6. So we know what the condition here requires the numbers which are less than 6 includes 0. So here we have written a is equal to 6q plus r, comma r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have got 6 numbers. So friends, remember in your mind, whenever the b is, if suppose b is equal to 3, the numbers will be 3 here. If the b is equal to 4, the number will be 4 here. Like that, how many b is equal to for something number, the numbers will be also same, but the final number is 1 digit less than that number. So means these all are cases we have to do. There are totally 6 cases. In the case 1, we will take r is equal to 0 and we will check r is equal to 0 in this equation. So a is equal to 6q plus r, we know r is equal to 0, so a is equal to 6q is equal to 2 of 3q. We have substituted the 6q as 2 of 3q. So a is equal to 2n. We have taken this 3q as n here. So this number 6q, if when r is equal to 0, this is exactly divided by 2, right? So we can write it as even. So the numbers which are divisible by 2 are definitely even. So this is also, a is also divisible by 2, so it is even. In the second case, when r is equal to 1, we have written a is equal to 6q plus 1. Okay, we have written a is equal to 6q plus r is 1. So 6q plus 1, again we substitute here 3q, 2 of 3q plus 1, 2n plus 1. So if the remainder comes 1, then it is a definitely odd number which is not divisible by any number. So like that, a is equal to 2n plus 1 is odd when remainder is 1. So now we have got up to the case 3, r is equal to 2. So a is equal to 6q plus r is equal to 6q plus 2 is equal to 2 of 3q plus 1. We took common 2 here. So like that, again it becomes 2n. It is divisible by 2, so it is even. It is odd because it is not divisible by 2. Now we are going to do our fourth case. So friends, we have got up to case 4, where the remainder is 3, right? So friends, once again you have to remember, if the case number is 4, then the remainder will be 1 digit less than that. So again we are going to substitute a is equal to 6q plus 3 is equal to 2 of so friends, here we are changing this 3 as 6q plus 2 plus 1. So now we can substitute here 2 of 3q plus 1 plus 1. So this 3q plus 1 becomes n, 2n plus 1. A is equal to. So again it is odd. In case 5, now r is equal to 4. So a is equal to 6q plus 4. It can be directly divisible by 2. So 2 of 3q plus 2. Here again we are taking this 3q plus 2 as n. So 2n. Again this is even. When r is equal to 4. A is equal to. Now we have got up to case 6. And now r is equal to 5. We have to substitute again the formula. A is equal to 6q plus 5. Now we are going to divide this 5 as 6q plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 2 of 3q plus 2 plus 1. So again we have taken this 3q plus 2 as n. So 2n plus 1. So again this is odd. So friends, here we can see in case 1, when the remainder is 0, the positive integer is even, it is not odd. So when the remainder is 1, the positive integer is odd. So and the remainder is when the remainder is 2, it is even again. And when the remainder is 3, it is again odd. So when the remainder is 4, and it is even, and the remainder is 5, it is odd again. So like that we can prove that. So friends, so here according to the question, a is equal to 6q plus 1 is odd, and a is equal to 6q plus 3 is odd, and a is equal to 6q plus 5 is odd. So finally we can conclude, therefore so friends, finally by using Euclid's division lemma we have proven that, we have shown that any odd positive integer is of the form of 6q plus 1 and 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. So finally all the odd positive integers are of the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 once take a full view of the board. So friends, finally we have completed our exercise 11.1 1 and 2 sums today. So in this session and in the following sessions we are going to start our third sum. And if you like this video, please do like and share, and if you want some more engaging videos like this, please do subscribe for our channel. Bye.